Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today I wanted to share with you this really nice PS Vita that was sent to me for some LED mods and a back housing replacement. Just a quick video showing you this very impressive PS Vita, and I just love doing this kind of stuff because it's just so amazing what some of you modders out there end up doing or what you have installed, and it's just very fascinating and I love it. So here is the mod that I just got done, and that is the LED mods, the trigger LEDs. Let's see if you guys can get a better look at that. Sound activated. That light there. And this customer wanted the green lights. This is the first time I've ever done green, and it looks pretty solid. Looks really good. So let's lower that volume and just take a look at this beautiful console real quick. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. It's been a minute since I've uploaded. I've been very busy in the last month. I have to say that August was not a good month for me for many reasons, but I'm just glad to be back. But yeah, a beautiful console. Here is the back housing that we replaced, brand new. I'll have a link to this shell, complete shell, in the description down below for you if you're interested in upgrading your shell on a PS Vita 2000. And this was fairly simple, very easy to do. But the LED trigger mod it's always a little bit of a task, or a little bit tricky. But yeah, this is such a nice setup here. You can see all the homebrews. Awesome. We got Chinatown, Blasphemous, Hollow Knight. Here's their favorites PS Vita games. Here's the shooter. Here's Japanese games. Oh, man. I'll have to check these out. Fighting. Got Dead or Alive. Street Fighter. Slashers. Folders. Another folders. I probably forgot to name these, but again, a very impressive collection, and this is all on a 512 gigabyte card, and you can see how much content you can hold with an SD card of that size on a PS Vita. Amazing collection. I love it. Love to see things like this, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. But what's very interesting to me was this button at the bottom. Now this button feels a lot more premium than mine. This one is kind of more flush to the housing. This one actually sticks out, and it feels a lot better in my opinion. Feels really nice. And not to mention the beautiful tempered glass protective screen there. Very, very nice. And I think the customer is going to be very happy with this outcome of this mod and repair replacement. So you can see like the black buttons, the analog, the smoked out analog or the trigger buttons, and the beautiful black, all black back cover. So I'm so stoked to get this shipped out tomorrow. And if you're interested in any mods whatsoever, any jailbreaks or repairs, please let me know. I'll be happy to assist you with anything that you need. I just got done replacing the back housing on this PS Vita as well. This is my personal PS Vita, and I had to replace the back because it was pretty messed up. But we kept the blue accents there, and one of my next videos is going to be changing out the buttons to blue, so it's going to be a white and blue console. because originally it was just the blue back with the white front, and you know, that's kind of boring. I'd like to give it some more color on the front. I think that'd be nice. But yeah, if you're interested in any mods, repairs, jailbreaks, let me know in the comment section down below, or reach out to me via my email or through the website. You can fill out the contact form there, which majority of people do, and I reach out to you via email. So thank you all so much for watching. Happy September, month of September, and looking forward to bringing you more content. Take care, everyone.